Hello, today in this video I'll take you through a summary of the different reports. Firstly, the booking payments report shows you the booking transactions made for facilities. It gives you an overview of details such as payment reference that was added by you, where you can include the resident's name and payment details, etc. The report also shows amount paid for every booking, if any, facility details, the date, length, and time of slot, when the booking was made, the status. You can filter the report accordingly to how you want to view it, such as date, status, and individual facility. Alternatively, you can click on the column heading. This applies for all the reports. Secondly, the report for form payments is pretty straightforward. The main details shown are the user's details, such as name and address, the date of when the form was submitted, email address, the costs incurred, and lastly, you can view the form. You can filter the report accordingly to how you want to view it, such as status, date, and form name, or you can click on the column heading. Next, the report for users shows you how actively involved each user is with the condo. You're able to see their email, name, address, role, and how much revenue they have contributed to you online and offline. It also depicts the total number of bookings made by every user and how many of those were confirmed. Likewise for a form submission. You can filter your report viewing by date or clicking on a column heading. For example, you can view it from the user who has spent the most or the least. Now, the report for facilities gives you a summary of how much revenue each facility has earned you, both online and offline. It depicts how many hours the facility have been used in total, whether the slots were blocked or booked. You can filter the report accordingly to how you want to view it, such as date or facility name from the drop-down menu. The report for units shows you how many users in each unit are on reserve and how much offline and online revenue you have earned from every unit. It indicates the number of bookings that were made and confirmed, as well as forms submitted and completed. You can filter your report viewing by date or clicking on a column heading. Next, the report for forms shows the number of responses, such as the total number of users who have submitted a particular form, and the statuses, such as how many is pending approval or have been cancelled. This report, of course, also depicts the revenue earned online and offline from all the different forms. You can filter your viewing by date or by clicking on a column heading as well. Lastly, under reports for transactions, you can see the details of every transaction that had been made, such as reference, name of user, amount of payment incurred, the IDs, and the date of when the transaction was created. Once again, you can filter your report viewing by date or by clicking on a column heading. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.